Hi guys, I'm back with another, it's a small unboxing today, not a big one like the last one, but I decided to get a little cleaned up for this unboxing and try to do my makeup. It's been kind of a, I don't know, you want to call it a crochet, or not, like a quarantine funk where it's just like, I don't feel like doing anything. So I thought maybe doing my a little bit of makeup and my hair, try to look nice, I guess. I don't know. I thought it'd help. I don't know. But this unboxing is from Hirschner's again because I like Hirschner's. So I guess we can just get started. Find a pair of scissors. Oh, I don't know where my scissors are. I can't get my chair to roll. There. Okay. No, I just did eyeshadow and mascara and just didn't curl, but my hair is naturally really curly. I just put some product in it to try to make it curlier than normal. I don't know, I just trying to get myself out of that. Like, are you guys, do you guys have that, like, you can't go, in Illinois, we're still under the quarantine, and it's, you get in a funk. Does that make sense? Like, you don't want to do anything, you don't feel like getting up, or, you know, just, you know, I'm just going to call it a funk, is all I'm going to call it. But I thought maybe doing my hair and my makeup might help me get out of that. Oh. But like I said, this one is Hirschner's, like the last one. Got my invoice. Okay, so I got a couple of things that I haven't had before. Honestly, look bad. Honestly, it's kind of not what I expected. The first thing I got was Hirschner's Pastry Panchet yarn. I don't know, is that how you pronounce that? There. It is a 3-weight, 95% cotton, 5% nylon, 100 grams, 344 yards. Well, that's more than I expected. Machine wash. This is called Spring Fling. It's a really thin 3-weight. I feel silly with makeup on. I haven't worn it in so long. Oh, I guess I got 2 of those. Oh, that looks like a heart. Okay. Okay, I got 3 of those. You guys ever order anything and then completely forget what you ordered or why you ordered it? Like, I don't remember why I ordered that. So this is the Hirschner's Pastry Petite. It's called Little Peanut. I like the colors of that. 100% acrylic, 364 yards, 3-weight. Machine wash, recommends a 5mm hook. I say that's a good 3-weight. It's really soft. I love anything that has that coral and that dark blue together. I love those color combos. Looks like I got 3 of those too. Okay. I got some more cotton cones. I don't know if you guys have seen on my chair will not roll. So I look like a goofball. Anyway, I don't know if you guys have seen that on my channel. I have two new wash rag and dish towel sets. I got some more cotton to make some more sets. Are you wanting to come upstairs, honey?
Yeah.
Do you want me to pause?
Are you still playing it?
No, it's paused.
Promise?
Yeah?
Are you lying?
No?
They'll know you're a liar if you are.
Okay, hold on, I'll pause it. He caught me. I had to pause it. Okay, anyway, back to the cotton that I got. I think I have this one. The Dragon Fruit Village Yarn Craft Cotton. It's a 4-weight. They recommend an H-hook. 100% cotton, 4-ply, 743 yards, machine wash, dry on cool. But I got the Dragon Fruit, which I'm almost positive I have this. I don't remember. And then I got the Shoreline. Paprika. That's an odd choice. It's more like a coral looking. And then just white. And then I got Cabana. I got this one because I want to do a maybe a corner to corner dish towel and wash rag set again. But I'm not sure because you guys, like, if you do a corner to corner and it's the variegated yarn that has that long color change to it, and then like you have half a stripe of one color and then it goes to another color and then it's like another half a stripe of a different color, that bugs me. So if this is more of a faster color change, it'll look good as a corner to corner dish towel and wash rag set, but if it's not, it won't look right. So hopefully, and now that I'm looking, I think I gotta stand up. I think these 3 colors match. Looks like they match, don't it? So I could do dish towel, wash rag, wash rag. That would be cool. I'm excited for that. Because I like to try to do like smaller projects in between, you know, like bigger projects. Like right now I'm working on a bigger project, but I have a smaller one in the works too. Okay. This I seen on Hirschner's and I didn't know what it was. And I thought, well, what's it going to hurt to try it? Now I wish I didn't order it. But it is Lion Brands Trubo. Let's see. It's super, like it's silky soft. Like it feels like silk. It is 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 241 yards. Says it's a 3-weight, 100% rayon from bamboo. Machine wash, cool, lay flat to dry. And this color is marigold. In my opinion, that is a tiny 3-weight. It is really soft, I'll give it that, but and it's really shiny too. I just I don't know what I would use it for. Like that would take some thinking. It is super soft, I like that. But I got 4 of those. These 3 in this one. I've got something in my box that I'm saving for last. I drank soda and I can't have like indigestion. Okay, what do I get now? Okay, this is called Willow Wheels. Focus here. There. Show the world who you are and what you love. That is cute. It's 377 yards. 70 acrylic, 30% wool. The color is paisley. Recommends a 3.75 millimeter. Well, what's the yarn weight? It doesn't say. Oh, I see it. I've never seen that before. Let's see if I can see the little leaf. You get my head there. The little leaf right there. It has a 3 in it. I think that's how it means. Like that means it's a 3 weight, right? I'll go for that. This is super soft. Okay. Now something I've been saving. I'm excited about this because this was not cheap. This was 15 bucks, I think. And I only got one. This is called Willow Yarns Spectral. 1,093 yards. I've always wanted something like this, but I've never wanted to spend the money on it. Isn't that pretty? It is a thin, let's see. Ooh, I wonder if it has a leaf. Nope, it has actual yarn thing. It says it's 1. 55% of cotton, 45 polyacrylic. Recommends a 2.75 millimeter crochet hook. And the color is Wanderlust. I have a plan for this. Knock on wood that it works and I can make it. What is it? 55 cotton. You can tell it's cotton. It's not like these cottons are, but you can tell it's a decent cotton. I like this. Man, now I wish I would have got 2. I like it a lot. I'm so excited. I can't wait to start my project with it. But that's it, guys. Not a lot in this order. I think I'm gonna try to keep it to where I do at least one unboxing a month, just because it's fun and I like new yarn. But I'm gonna keep it to one a month, also because it's not cheap. It's not cheap at all. But I'm gonna do other places besides just Hirschner's, like Joann's or Michael's or anything like that. It just so happened that I thought I want to look at Hirschner's again, and I ended up ordering again. But it won't be Hirschner's every time. It's just who I picked that time. That's it. That's all I got. I thought for sure I'd get Snuggle Buddy on camera, but it's so funny whenever it's just us at home and one of the girls, we have 2 teenagers, if they decide to, get out their phone and get out their camera and start taking pictures, he's the type of person we call it here, showing your ass. But he's the type of person that's like that. But if I'm filming or I'm recording something that I'm going to put on YouTube, he does not want anything to do with it. I'm going to try. I'm going to keep trying. It's funny. We are a very prankster, I don't know how else to say it, house, I guess. And I thought for sure he'd walk upstairs, but he wasn't falling for it. Anyway, go through the description box. Click that down button arrow. I don't know if it's over here or over here. I don't know. Click that, and I'm going to have links to my Facebook group, my Instagram, my Twitter, my Etsy shop. We got somebody else peeking at me. See her? But I have my stepdaughter helping me with TikTok. That's new. Never had that one before. But anyway, check that out in the description box. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me a comment. I don't care what you say. Tell me hi. That'd be nice. I love it whenever I get a comment and I look at it and it's always, you know, somebody being so nice, and it makes you feel good. It really does, which is, you know, it's something I didn't expect whenever I started YouTube. Whenever somebody leaves a nice comment and I see it and I'm like, thank you. But anyhow, all that. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.